7 1, yes. If the points vectors are 3i minus 2j minus k 2i plus 3j minus 4k minus I plus j plus 2k 4i plus 5j plus lambda k are coplanar. Prove that lambda equal to minus 146 by 17. That is the next and last question of addition of vectors, with which 4 marks will be completed, and we'll start product of vectors. 4 marks. Okay, now we have to select OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. So OA bar is 3i minus 2j minus k. This is 2i plus 3j minus 4k minus I plus j plus 2k 4i plus 5j plus lambda k. Now tell me how to write AB bar, AC bar, AD bar, AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो क्या आता है? माइनस I प्लस 5j माइनस 3k. OC bar minus OA bar. OC bar minus OA bar minus 4i j minus of minus of 3j and 2k minus of minus of 3k. Next OD bar minus OA bar will be what? OD bar minus OA bar 4i minus 3i 5j plus 2j na 7j and lambda k plus k. Lambda k plus k is lambda plus 1 into k. So lambda plus 1 into k. देख रहे ना? They are already coplanar. They are already coplanar means det 0. Det के लिए क्या लेना? minus 1 5 minus 3. Second minus 4 3 3. Third क्या है? 1 7 lambda plus 1 minus 1 into 3 lambda plus 3 minus 21 minus 5 into minus 4 lambda minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 28 minus 3 equal to 0. Hope you all know that how to find out. Okay. Minus 3 lambda plus 18 plus 20 lambda plus 35 plus 93. This is 146. 146. Okay, 146 plus 17 lambda equal to 0. So lambda equal to minus 146 by 17. ये हो गया अपना 7th problem. Please take the screenshot and let me know. We'll start product of vectors.
Done, sir.
Yes, very good. So from product of vectors also you are going to get 4 marks question. So matrices में से 2, addition of vectors 1, product of vectors 4 हो गए तो we'll see just one more, then we can do the extra problems as I told you. Yes. Good.
सर आपकी आवाज होता क्या?
my internet problem और चार्जिंग भी बहुत लो है, इसलिए खाली बोर्ड से पहचानो समझो. ओके. A bar equal to 2i plus j minus k, B bar equal to minus I plus 2j minus 4k, C bar equal to I plus j plus k. Find A cross B.
सर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर से भी 2 आ रहे ना सर?
क्या बात?
प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर्स में से भी 2 आ रहे सर 4 मार्क्स के.
2 नहीं के एक ही के देखो तो मेरे को तो एक ही मालूम, आप जैसा एक ही देख लो
सर आप पीडीएफ देखो सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है सर.
ओके दैट्स वेल गुड वेरी गुड. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर्स से 2 आते, सही बात बोले. ओके स्टार्ट तो करो. स्टार्ट कर लो, मतलब A क्रॉस B फाइंड कर लो, B क्रॉस C फाइंड कर लो. मालूम ना, ए क्रॉस बी कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? लेट ij के लिखना फर्स्ट रो, ij के लिख के a बार का 2 1 -1, b बार का -1 2 -4, I into -4 plus 2 minus j into -8 -1 plus k into 4 plus 1, which is equal to -2i plus 9j plus 5k. b क्रॉस c देखूंगा, b क्रॉस c, फिर ij के b बार क्या है? -1 2 -4, c बार 1 1 1. Find out that I into 2 plus 4 minus j into -1 plus 4 plus k into -1 -2. That is 6i minus 3j minus 3k. ये इंडिविजुअली फाइंड कर लिए, दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना। मालूम डॉट प्रोडक्ट? गिरी सर भी बोले ना डॉट प्रोडक्ट, a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, मतलब first coefficients of I. What are the coefficients of I in both? -2 and 6. Coefficients of j बोलो 9 and -3. Coefficients of k बोलो 5 and -3. So -2 and 6, 9 and -3, 5 and -3. How much? -12, -27, -15 is equal to -54. Second problem. Important है क्योंकि इसके अंदर दोनों है, देखो डॉट भी है क्रॉस भी है, so that's why it is important problem. So next problem देखो, a bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus 4k, b bar equal to I plus j minus k, c bar equal to I minus j plus k. Find a cross of b cross c and verify if it is perpendicular to b bar or not. Perpendicular to a bar or not. Now, how will you find a cross of b cross c? Do you have any advanced formula we can apply? Because I know it. A cross of b cross c can be written as a dot c into b minus
into b bar
a dot b into
minus a dot b into c bar.
ये 1 ये 2, ये पहले ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना, a dot c into b, देन ये दोनों को a
क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 के सेकंड में चले गए सर।
शर्मा सर बोले ये फार्मूला,
बोला सर।
बोले sir.
राइट, ये फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे। a dot c ये दोनों का देखो जरा, 2 into 1 डायरेक्ट लिखो 2 लिख दे, आपको समझ में आ गया तो 2 into 1 2, 3 into -1 -3 और 4 into 1 4, ये हो गया into b bar minus a bar और b bar, ये दोनों का 2 plus 3 minus 4 होता into c bar.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हेलो, हाँ అది చేయలేదు 65 అవును నాకేదో వదలాంటే ఎక్కువ అనిపిస్తుంది ఒకసారి ఏంటంటే భయం వేస్తుంది, మీరు చెప్పింది మాత్రం చేయాలి, అవును 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 మీరు చెప్పినప్పుడు కాదు అప్పటికి కొద్దిగా మనం కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది పైకి
वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट निकाल दिया सर।
और सर निकाल दिया।
अभी रहना भाग जाएंगे, भाग जाएंगे ना అసలు మేడం చూడండి మీరు ఎప్పుడు చెప్పినా అలాగే చేస్తారు ఫార్టీ నైన్ అంటే నైట్ boys, sorry, have you got the verification हो गया आपका 6 minus 3 ये 3b bar minus
Excuse me,
5
sir.
minus 4
सर
3 bar आया आपको आया आंसर
Excuse me, sir.
बोलिए सर बोलो मां बोलो मां मीटिंग बोलो यस एक्सक्यूज मी बोले क्या हुए now a cross of b cross c we have to get dot product with a bar if 0 they are going to be perpendicular so this and a bar देख लो 2 into 2 ये दो a bar and this 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 4 which is 4
सर
plus
ये
12
रिलेटेड है
minus
ना सर ये
वेक्टर
Zero
टेबल
है
प्रोडक्ट
ना?
निकाल दिए सर
सर ये डिलीटेड है सर
डेटा तो नहीं रहता लो ये डोंट वरी आता ये भी आता कहीं बोल तो दिस इज देयर इन नॉट ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट इट्स देयर इन द प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज so ये आता
इसका ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट है
screenshot I will remove Muhammad Murtuja sounds are yeah go for the next problem jaldi
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
yes take the screenshot
Sir,
and go ahead
first question of 14. No, sir. Then you jump to second question of question number 15, sir.
हाँ वैसा जंपिंग पे जंपिंग करते रहता हूँ हार्दिक पांड्या हूँ मैं जो इम्पोर्टेंट दिखता है वो करते रहता हूँ ठीक है वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग इन सीरियल ऑर्डर ओके आई एम गोइंग टू कलेक्ट ओनली नॉट ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम इज प्रॉमिस्ड थर्ड प्रॉब्लम लिखो जल्दी आपको a bar equal to 7i minus 2j plus 3k b bar equal to 2i plus 8k c bar equal to I plus j plus k I plus j plus k then prove that a bar plus b bar cross a bar cross b bar plus c bar equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar ये वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं
Yes, sir.
yes so first of all b bar plus c bar क्या है बोलो b bar plus c bar दोनों को ऐड करो 3i plus j plus 9k okay so a cross of b bar plus c bar get ijk a bar 7 minus 2 3 b bar plus c bar 319 इसका डेट फाइंड कर लेना a क्रॉस b फाइंड कर लेना डेट ijk 7 minus 2 3 208 इसका a फाइंड कर लेना और a क्रॉस c फाइंड कर लेना डेट ijk a क्रॉस c का मतलब 7 minus 2 3 c bar 111 इसका डेट फाइंड कर लेना फिर ये दोनों को ऐड कर लेना and then verify that both are same okay you can do it yourself now I'm not completing the sum so please check if they are equal or not you can do it, try those dates and check it fourth problem देखो मां next problem okay now mod a bar mod b bar equal to 5 the angle between a bar and b bar is given as 45 degrees and you find area of triangle whose sides are given as बोलो a bar minus 2b bar
सर जरा कर्टेन डालना सर बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा
नहीं दिख रहा कहीं बोल तो चार्जिंग 5% है मेरा इसलिए नहीं दिख रहा कुछ भी नहीं
सर साइड में
अंदाज
सनलाइट आ रही
आवाज
सर
भी नहीं आ रही सर सही से
ओहो राइट a bar minus 2b bar फाइंड करेंगे पहले. a bar is अच्छा फाइंड नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज़ वेक्टर्स नहीं दिया. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल फार्मूला क्या है जी? हाफ मॉड ab bar क्रॉस ac bar. ये है इसका फार्मूला. Something like this. So half mod, one side is given as a bar minus 2b bar cross, the other one is 3a bar plus 2b bar. Multiplication बोलते क्या? 3a cross a और listen to this plus 2a cross b minus 6b cross a minus 4b cross b. a cross a 0 होता, b cross b 0 होता half into
Yes, sir.
2a cross b बचा इधर, ये जीरो हो जाते हैं, दोनों जीरो बार सही है दोनों. ये उल्टा, ये a cross b cross a को रिवर्स करे तो प्लस होता, देखो माइनस आता.
Yes.
मालूम है ना? You have a formula called a cross b is negative of b cross a. So which is half into 8 a cross b. 2 4s are 8. Mod a cross b formula, mod a bar mod b bar, sine angle between a bar and b bar. So that means 4 into mod a bar is given as 5. So 5 into 5 into sine 45 degrees. कितना? 25 into 4 100, 1 by root 2. Rationalize कर लो root 2 by root 2. So answer is 50 root 2 square units is the answer. 50 root 2 square units is the answer. Take the screenshot. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके. अगर वही प्रॉब्लम में अगर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल पूछा और एक प्रॉब्लम बता रहा हूं. फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल with vertices given. Vertices a1 2 3, b2 3 1, c3 1 2. So I want you to compare these two problems here. Vertices are given. So a1 2 3 you have to convert into position vector OA bar equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. b2 3 1 you will convert that as OB bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. c321 312 you will convert OC bar equal to 3i plus j plus 2k. Okay, find out AB bar AC bar as shown in the formula. AB bar AC bar. AB bar OB bar minus OA bar. This is OC bar minus OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar. Subtract करके बोलो I plus j minus 2. What about OC bar minus OA bar? 2i minus j minus k. Then AB bar cross AC bar find करेंगे. How to find one? Det ijk. AB bar is 1 1 minus 2. This is 2 minus 1 minus 1. Find out I into minus 1 minus 2 minus j into minus 1 plus 4 plus k into minus 1 minus 2. That means minus 3i minus 3j minus 3k. Delta area half mod AB bar cross AC bar, which is half into root of 9 plus 9 plus 9. Root 27 half into root 27. Root 27 means 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 by 2 square units. That is the answer. Take a look. Sixth problem will do. And another 4 problems I will tell you tomorrow with which this product of vectors will be completed. There may be 20 problems will be your homework, remaining problems in case. But I am selecting the best among them. That's what you have to understand. So it's not necessary to do each and every problem. So sixth problem I'm doing here. Next. Okay. Right. Find the unit vector. Unit vector determined by the points. Unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by 3 points are given, ma'am. determined by the 3 points given as P1 minus 1 2, Q 2 0 minus 1 and R 0 2 1. What will you do? You know, in the same method, you have to convert this into vectors OP bar I minus j plus 2k, Q 2 0 minus 1, OQ bar 2i minus k, R 0 to 1, OR bar 2j plus k. You have to find out PQ bar and PR bar. PQ bar is OQ bar minus OP bar. This is OR bar minus OP bar. Subtraction below OQ bar minus OP bar I plus j minus 3k. First one. Second one, minus I minus plus 3j minus k. Right. Subtract करें. So minus I 2j minus of minus. This is 3j k minus 2k minus k. दोनों का cross product. Because cross product means what? It's a vector perpendicular to the plane. That's why you have to find out cross product. 1 1 minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 1. What is the cross product of these two? Tell me fast. 1 minus 1 plus 9 minus j into minus 1 minus 3 plus k into 3 plus 1. So what is that we getting? 8i plus 4j plus 4k. So divide with it, then divide with the length of it, then you get unit vector. And here you have to write plus or minus because two unit vectors exist. So plus or minus 8i plus 4j plus 4k by root of, what do you write, ma? 64 plus 16 plus 16. How much is it, ma? 80 plus 16, 96. So numerator 4 common, you get 2i plus j plus k by 96. 16 6 are 96. So 4 root 6, 4 4 cancel, and that is the answer. Take the screenshot. So my phone is going on me. It's very low charging. So I will end my class here. But
Sir.
we have completed 6 problems. I just want to see another 4 to be done tomorrow in the class. That will complete 4 marks questions of product of vectors. Already addition of vectors 4 marks completed, matrices completed. With this chapter, your section based 4 marks questions to be written will be simply finished. And already you know that 7 marks already finished. So from day after tomorrow onwards till your 22nd, that is exam, pre-final exams, we'll do extra sums, extra chapters. हो गया, स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Right, ma, thank you.